Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh guys, uKhawekazi has a new heart. Angithi uKhawekazi now is waking up in hotel's room with them big boys manje. She woke up very, very confused. Didn't even remember the person's face. And when he showed up, she was like, and he was like, I will name, what's that? I know, it's fine, good. She left, went home. She was told my happy parents making smoothies, and she was like, "No, ngilelekuzithu." Bathi hawu, ngathi kodwa bowukhefula uthi kahle kamnanzi nje usho mdala okay sharp ke. Uhlathi is going through the most because uThumeka decided to leave vele and went ezilalini with Uyanga. So Uyanga can get a new school and bahlale pha. And then now she says she wants a divorce. Unsiki is concerned about well-being kamthetho because now he's not eating right, he's drinking alcohol in the morning. Indlu injani? Indlu idate kwani? Indlu nje, everything is all over nje. She's worried. She went to Thandeka to talk about this whole thing. But Thandeka was like, hey, I feel like Utumeka and I is trying on their best. Because we've never experienced we've never went through whatever it is she's experiencing. And when we remember, Utumeka couldn't wake up in bed when this thing all happened. Yabo, she couldn't eat, she couldn't do anything. Go to man, she walks and she does this and this and this. I think it's a good thing. Just need to be patient with her and all that. But don't see it falls different. She says that oh Tumeka shouldn't be feeling this way because now she's not the only one who lost Umtan. Umteto and I lost a son. But now it's like, yeah, now he should fend for himself and all that. And Upapa Lazarosi, Auntie Lazarosi, and Unonebo came to for a preparation for something for tonight about the Ngwanis and whatnot. And what Lazarus' dad was very, very happy. And he even told Lazarus, because you know what, with this one, I'm fine. You should have married her years ago. I can't even believe that pride yami nearly made us lose her. Because the only Mondo was when she walks in a room, you can feel the presence. She commands, she directs, she's like fair and all that. And the pride yam almost get us to lose her and all that. But why? Why? And Azande is back from America. If you remember, we've been hearing about Azande for so long now from Lazarus. Turns out that Azande is Lazarus's aunt's son who's been in America, and now he's back. And guess what? He's the guy that Kawekazi woke up with without knowing the name and all that. Sanbona. Sanbonani. Hey, Lazarus, from the previous season, we've seen him longing for his father's approval. Everything that he does, longing for his father's acceptance, longing for everything. Ukuthi uma kayenda njena ubaba wakhe abe ne-pride and happiness and everything kuyena. So Lazarus once said that he knew that he was not going to have children. So he didn't want to tell his father because that would be a disappointment to him, for him to hear that from him, knowing that the family sign name would be like, you understand? So he's been carrying that over his shoulder for so many years. Lazarus even said, yes, I felt like I've always longed for your approval. I've always longed for you to see me. I've always longed for you to understand. You understand as a father, to see me and see that I'm trying and understand. That was Lazarus before Uzoleka. Uzoleka came into the picture and they fought with Lazarus' dad. I remember when he said that ungazobiza lo mntana loyo levezandlebe as my grandchild. Uzoleka was like, now that is not what we're gonna do. You understand? I understand that you're a father, respect and all that, but never called my son ivezandlebe ever again. Hayi. Wayefile umqukwana ukuthi hhayi yabona manje zimi zithi zombili. Uzoleka fought for her spot lapha ekhaya kaBolazarus, and she even fought for Lazarus. She even fought against both of them, saying that they don't want to have a sit down so that they can mend their relationship and make it the relationship that it is mine. They worked like very, very hard to be where they are today, whereby Lazarus' dad will stand up and say, my pride, nearly, I mean, lost everything. You understand? Kodwa lo mfazi lona is the one that you're supposed to get married to from the beginning. Yaloba nisekuzeni kabi. That is Lazarus' dad. And uLazarus uthi, you don't know how that makes me feel. Uyayizwa leyo nto? Because he's been a child who's been longing for this for his entire life. And manje it just comes out effortlessly to say, yeah, I'm here and I can see you. And I've seen that you've tried so hard. And manje, I'm saying to you that I can see you. Lazarus uthi, "Oh, tata, you don't know how that makes me feel. You don't know how that makes me feel. Happy human being. Chawekazi ke yena with a new heart. I don't know why, guys. Kodwa simply because we don't have enough information about the transplant and all that. Because now Ukawe had a pattern, right? Ukawekazi dated Uma wethu and Onga. Those people were like intanga zakhe or mhlambe her age mates, right? Let me put it that way. And then now she goes wherever she goes and wakes up in the morning with a man, a full grown man. Now the question is, did she make a mistake? Was she too drunk? Or is the heart that is longing for full grown men? It's the Uli Canvas heart that is longing for full grown men. We don't know. We don't know. But one thing I know about Ukawega when she ended things with Umawetu after finding out that Umawetu and her mom did the thing, she said that it's only going to be professional between me and you. And from her side, it was, she stuck to that. Umawetu yena was feeling some type of way there and here and there. But Ukawega was like, it needs to be about work or else we shouldn't be making social calls. Yabona? We're not that kind of friends. And when she felt like Umawet was right there, she said, let us be friends. And we're by friends, and she with nothing. You understand? Just friends. That's Utaweka's. My boundaries, she understands them. Now that she went out, I don't know if Utaweka's remembers what happened that night with this guy. I don't know if she remember what they did with Asante. I don't know if she remember how far they took it with Asante because when she wakes up in the morning, she seems like someone who has no idea where she is, and she has no idea who she was there with until this full grown man came out of the bathroom, and she was like ready to leave. But now, how are they going to have a family dinner like that? And what kind of a person is this Asante guy? You understand? Is he the type of guy who's going to manipulate Utawa into doing more things than they already did? And say that if we're gonna keep this as a secret, you know those kind of people who just comes into your life and turn everything upside down. We're gonna continue what we were doing, or else I'm gonna tell them that we already know each other and we did this. And like you're gonna ask yourself, well, okay, you got what we did it together. Why now does it seem like I have to be the one who's in trouble with this whole thing? I understand. Is he going to be the kind of guy that says, yo, I'm sorry. Ish. Ish, I don't know how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna try and avoid my family things more than yabon. I should just to make sure that when you are comfortable. Because it seems like he was a grown man and Utawa is still a child and he might have take advantage or did something as Godwa. Umawaka was very excited to see him. And when Ukawega saw that it was him, she was holding my eyes, go ice bucket, everything just fell down. And she was like, Umawaka was like, that's Azande for you. Whenever he walks into the room, people get like that. You can't know. Kawikazi knows why. And I don't know why he's so calm about it. Because now he should be shocked. Now he should be shocked Azande to say, ah, Bukel. It's the girl that I killed that did. And how are you here? And me here? Why are we? I wonder what kind of a guy he's gonna be towards Okawikas. I seriously do wonder if he's going to make her life a living hell or is ABC. Remember, Tumek, Ukawa's mother. Hey, hey, Uzoleka will move mountains, eh? If this guy comes in and turn out to be a psychopath or a manipulator or something, it's not gonna be easy for him to get away with it because Uzoleka would make sure because sana lakhe, her child is well taken care of. And since really they both didn't know each other, hey, I wonder now, should you tell them, oh no, I met this guy last night, so that your family like I would know that he was here before he said he was here. Who hasn't? Because Sumawak is surprised to see him. Lazarus, I'm sure he just got a call from him moments ago saying that no, I'm around, and he said, send me the location. I'm outside. You understand? They didn't know that he was there then like last night doing things with Umtanam. And I wonder how Lazarus is going to handle this whole thing when he finds out that Ukazunake did the deed with Ukawe.